Hi, I'm Jimmie McAdams, Realtor. I am thrilled to present to you the Dolcevita, Palm Beach Shore's newest and most elegant development located on Singer Island, Florida. Come along with me as I present to you the perfect lifestyle you have long awaited. Welcome to the Dolcevita. From the moment you enter these doors, you experience the elegance and know at a glance that this is the lifestyle you've dreamed of. Immediately inside these doors, you are greeted by a warm and friendly concierge available to you 24/7.
Hi, Mr. McAdams. Welcome back to the Dolcevita. Our staff has stocked a refrigerator with some essentials, and we've already checked the AC in your unit and set it at the temperature you like. Now, if there's anything else we can do for you while you're here, please give us a call.
The social area is directly off the main lobby from the concierge desk, with warm and comfortable seating areas for entertaining your guests. A bar area. The exercise room is well equipped with every imaginable type of equipment, and a comfortable business center for all your business needs. A well-appointed lobby welcomes you upon your arrival. Here's the lobby to the elevators leading up to your suite. Hammock. Private sitting areas. Pool. More private sitting areas. Overlooking the ever-changing Atlantic Ocean. For more information on this or any other development here on Singer Island, contact the McAdams team at 561-385-1450 or visit our website, singerislandlifestyles.com.